Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a pair of jeans. First, let's identify the specific problem. Is your zipper slider stuck or are some teeth missing? Perhaps the slider has come off entirely. Understanding the issue will guide our repair. We'll cover common fixes, from simple adjustments to full replacements, ensuring your favorite jeans are back in action quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. If your zipper slider is stuck, a simple trick is to use a graphite pencil. Rub the pencil lead along the zipper teeth to lubricate them, making the slider move more freely. Then, gently wiggle the slider to encourage it to move. If the slider itself is bent, carefully use a pair of needle nose pliers to realign it, applying light pressure to avoid further damage. This often resolves minor sticking issues. Sometimes, the problem is a missing top or bottom stop, or a damaged slider. To replace a stop, carefully remove the old one with pliers. Then, slide a new metal stop onto the zipper tape and crimp it securely in place. If the slider is broken, you can often replace just the slider itself. Simply remove the old one and slide a new, appropriately sized slider onto the zipper teeth, ensuring it engages properly. For more extensive damage, a full zipper replacement might be necessary. Begin by carefully unpicking the old zipper from your jeans using a seam ripper. Once removed, pin the new zipper in place, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the opening. Then, stitch the new zipper securely using a sewing machine or by hand. Make sure the new zipper is the correct length for your jeans, often around 7 inches, for a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.